Hello, my name is Hope Vinson. I've been teaching for 26 years and I've been with Claremore Public Schools for 17 years. Of those 17 years, I've been at Westside Elementary. I am part of an esteemed zeal of educational professionals who champion the complexities of teaching, which creates a sense of pride and fulfillment.
Ms. Vincent collaborates with all of our staff. Again, she's an integral part of our team there at Westside Elementary School, not only in RTI, not only in WIN, but also as a Guiding Coalition member. She works closely with each and every one of our staff members. She targets and tracks literacy growth in all of our students. And so she's working on a daily basis with each and every one of our teachers to ensure that that growth is happening, and if not, working with them to find strategies that will help them grow every day.
I enjoy finding the deficits in reading skills and honing in on those skills. I start broad and I keep narrowing it down until I find the exact deficit. And then as I target skills with a student, seeing the growth is what continues to inspire me and encourage me that I have identified the correct deficit and we're on the avenue for success. I have had to learn to inspire students so that they can think critically about themselves, the world around them, and create an interest and an investment in their own future. Years ago, I had a student who was having behavioral issues. One morning, I left a note of encouragement on his desk, and I saw him read the note and nod his head yes, and he placed the note in his pencil box. Throughout the year, he continued to read the note. That is when I learned the impact of encouragement on our students. I have such high admiration for the teachers at Westside Elementary, and I am truly in awe of them. To receive the Teacher of the Year nomination means the world to me, in that my colleagues recognize my devotion to education, to my students, and to my profession.